Hi friends, I want to show you my new fleece jacket. Look at that, it's color blue. It's super so beautiful. It's warm, it's soft, and it's made of high quality fleece. This is a small size. Look at that. It's perfect with any outfit. You can use it with your favorite pants, with a shawl like this. It's perfect for many outside activities, outdoor activities. It's perfect to make outdoor activities. As you can see, it's short, and you can adjust this part using this. It's easy, and you can adjust all you need just using this. It's perfect to, dame un segundo. This fleece jacket is perfect to the cool weather walking, to make hiking, to go to the gym, or the chilly days in your home. It's soft, it's warm, and it's so comfortable. I highly recommend this fleece jacket. See you!